In order to fix starters not playing in Madden NFL 26, first of all, we're gonna go to Options, and we want to proceed to Franchise Settings and open League Settings. Now over here, we need to find a certain option. Let's see, there we go. It is this one, Progressive Fatigue. We want to make sure that it is disabled. Now, besides that, what you can also do is go to Home, then open Manage Team, and go to Auto-Subs. And over here we can adjust the frequency of substitutes in and out, of course, during a game. So you can be sure that they, for example, happen. And last but not least, what we can also do is we can exit from the franchise mode. We're gonna go back to the main menu, and we want to open settings. And now over here in game options, we just have to scroll down until we find player sliders. There we go. And you can simply turn off fatigue by setting this slider to 0. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.